In this video, we're taking a detailed look at the marketing section inside the Sellvia dashboard. This tab brings together all marketing-related tools in one place, from social media content and ads to email campaigns, video promotion, and search visibility. Let's open the marketing tab and see how everything is laid out. Once we're inside the marketing section, all available tools are listed on the left-hand side. Each tool opens its own page and includes a short explanation of what the tool does and an overview video that walks through its purpose and usage. Once a tool is activated, its content and features become accessible directly inside the dashboard. Now, let's go through each one and see what's included. Starting with social media, this tool is built for posting on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Inside, there's a profile setup kit with ready-to-use templates for social media accounts. Alongside that, there's a collection of product images and videos, plus pre-written captions and hashtags. All these materials can be downloaded as is and shared on social platforms without additional editing. The content is formatted to match common posting styles and sizes used across all social media. This area is absolutely perfect for beginners and even experienced e-commerce store owners. Next, let's go over Premium Blog Post. This tool provides long-form blog content that's added directly to the store's blog section. After you activate it, a set of articles is published shortly after setup, and additional posts are added gradually over time. Each article includes visual elements and is written around product-related topics. Inside the tool page, there's a list of published posts, main keywords and search volume, and direct links to each article so the content can be reviewed easily. Now, let's open Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads. This area contains ready-to-use advertising materials created specifically for major social media platforms. For each ad package, you'll get video creatives, prepared ad text, and targeting setups aligned with each platform. All materials are going to be added directly to the dashboard and follow the formatting requirements of Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The structure here is designed for reuse. The visuals, copy, and setup are already prepared, removing the need to build campaigns from scratch. Moving on, let's look at TikTok and Instagram stores. This tool links store products with TikTok and Instagram in a social shopping format to a ready-made store link for TikTok and Instagram, and a short introduction video explaining the setup. The tool includes a mobile-optimized storefront with one-click checkout, a bio text template, and a library of images and videos made for short-form formats like stories and reels. All this content can be downloaded from the dashboard and used directly on TikTok or Instagram. Next is email marketing. This tool is used to set up automated email communication. It seems old-fashioned, but email communication is one of the top ways to get new customers. Once activated, a lead capture banner is added to the store's homepage. Automated follow-up email sequences are launched, and performance data becomes visible inside the dashboard. The reporting section shows email open rates, sales activity, and subscriber list growth. All emails are pre-written and structured specifically for e-commerce communication. Now, let's take a look at YouTube marketing. Everybody knows how big YouTube is nowadays. This section provides video content and channel assets designed for video platforms like YouTube. It includes a library of product videos in different formats, video covers and thumbnails, written descriptions with hashtags and links, profile assets such as channel images and banners. There's also an introductory video and a bonus guide that explains how these materials are commonly used. All files, once again, are available for download and can be uploaded to YouTube or reused on other platforms. The last tool in this section is Google SEO Backlinks. This tool focuses on improving search visibility by placing links to the store on external websites. The backlinks are used to help search engines index the store, support long-term organic traffic, and increase overall visibility. After activation, access becomes available to a step-by-step guide and a backlink tracing section. Each option shows how many links are included and the general placement type. That's a complete overview of the marketing section inside the Sellvia dashboard. In the next video, we'll continue exploring other parts of the platform to show how everything fits together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.